Throughout this pandemic, we've all had to make changes so we can still get the job done. For the nonprofit people working cooperatively, it meant changing how their entire volunteer workforce can get work done.
I think this is probably the future.
Let's go that way.
There are a few things that we've retooled
Bubbles in the middle.
to help accommodate our volunteers during the course of the pandemic that I think are going to stay, and this is one of them. Giving people the flexibility to work over the course of the month, over a longer period of time.
Aaron Grant oversees all volunteer operations within PWC, and when the pandemic hit in early 2020, it threw the volunteer workforce into a tailspin.
We weren't sure what we could do. We knew that we had to do something. We knew that the work was too important.
In the past, their Fall Prepare Affair event, where volunteer teams like ours from WCPO rake leaves and clean up yards ahead of the winter, would take place on just one day. However, COVID meant stretching it out over an entire month.
Initially, it was so that we could make sure that people had a day and maybe a backup day 14 days away, just in case, God forbid, something happened to them or their crew.
That change helped bring out nearly 1,500 volunteers.
At the moment, we're at 30.
The current Repair Affair going on right now, where volunteers help rebuild stairs, sidewalks, porches, or in this case, install handrails for added safety and mobility, is also following the extended rollout.
Our team members were just so excited to get to be a part of, connecting, helping people in the community.
These volunteers are from TriHealth. Rooted in healthcare, Stephanie Lambers says it's great to assist people outside of the medical environment.
So to get to do the hands-on and kind of leave the positions of patient care and those type of things for a couple hours, to be able to actually make that difference out in the community, we're so happy to do that.
While the community shut down during a portion of the pandemic, Aaron says the needs of the community continue to grow and is grateful for those who are willing to come swing a hammer.
We hope that by spreading it out over the month and giving people more flexibility, that we can connect them to an even larger number of homes that need their help.
Now, I currently serve on PWC's development board, and there's always a discussion about the need throughout the entire year for volunteers. You can reach out directly to PWC by phone or hop online, pwchomrepairs.org.